As the plane lines up with runway 18R, everything looks normal. The crew lowers the gear, extends the flaps, and prepares for landing. But passengers suddenly feel the plane shaking. The stick shaker, warning of a stall, goes off. The captain takes control, shoving the throttles forward. But at only 400 feet above the ground, it's already too late. The 737 crashes into a field just short of the runway. The fuselage breaks into 3 pieces, but remarkably, most of the passengers survive. Nine lives are lost, including the cockpit crew and the Boeing engineers. The big question: why did this advanced jet, on final approach, run out of speed and simply fall?